You addressed it a little bit before, but what are some of the things that interested you in the Lakeview job?
Well, there's no doubt I've been here at Lakeview before as an assistant coach, and I really enjoyed and valued the community, and I know that they're always a community that's very competitive, and they're hungry in all sports, and they want all the programs to do well, and that's the only community that I'd like to coach in is that type. So I knew that before. Of course, I was there with Coach Slaughter when he came in. My first year was 1983, and he did a great job, and I thought a lot of him. So I knew with the administrative team that's here, now that they've gotten Coach Jim Slaughter in, that there's going to be a lot of support from the athletic side of it. And not that we ever had it ever before here, but I know the quality of personnel that are in the administrative team, and that made a big difference also.
I know one of the things that Dr. Bonds was mentioning that she really valued in you as a candidate was that you've had success not just on the football field, but athletic programs in general at Industrial were very successful. Is that something that you're looking to try to be successful, I guess, in every facet of athletics there at Lakeview?
Yes, I do. I want all the programs to have a chance to be competitive. I had two daughters, and even on the girls' side, I don't want to diminish anything. We want to try to be as competitive as we possibly can. So I think it's important that all the programs feed off of each other, and that success builds success. But yes, we've been fortunate at Industrial, and we've had a lot of our programs winning district this year besides football, and we have had a lot of past playoff games with our teams, and we've had a lot of success. I'm fortunate to have been there and been a part of it, but I'm ready to carry that on forward to Lakeview.
Do you kind of believe that success begets success? I mean, when the athletes see one sport succeeding, it kind of lends itself to everybody succeeding at the school?
I really believe that. I think that, if a kid is having success in one area, he gains confidence. And if it's in the athletic endeavor, whichever sport it's in, that's going to be a benefit to that athlete, that boy, girl athlete.
Obviously, having the prior experience at Lakeview, how beneficial is that going to be to you? I know it's been a while since you've been here at Lakeview, but at the same time, you do kind of know the community to some extent, and obviously you know the area.
That's right. No doubt I've been in the San Angelo area before for many years, around the area coaching in various locations, and I also did my first coaching stint naturally at Lakeview, and I would hope that I was positive and productive at that time, and that I would be hopefully a person coming in that people believe that I'm going to do what's right for the athletic program and make it the best it can be. So I think that is a positive.
I know, reading a little bit about you, Coach, you guys had a lot of success running the wishbone kind of style offense. Is that something that you are looking forward to bringing to Lakeview, or is it you kind of examine the personnel and decide from there?
No doubt. I think you have to examine the personnel first. I haven't been here long. Well, I haven't even had a chance to really look at it yet. So there is no doubt I would like to be a run-effective team. We're going to rush the ball well, but whatever formation it's out of, that'll make a difference. But if we might have the personnel that maybe throws the ball better, so we may do that more than what I did at Industrial. But I think that comes over evaluation of your athletes, what you can potentially do on the field gives you the best chance to win.
I know, obviously, turning the page to the defensive side of things, you guys had 2 shutouts at Industrial last year, had 3 other opponents to single digits. I'm sure you want to carry over some of that success to Lakeview as well.
Oh, there's no doubt. Defensively, I learned to split defense from when I went to Lakeview the first time. So that's where I evolved our defense from Coach Slaughter when I first went there. And so it's been a real strong point for us. And again, utilizing our material just in the past few years, we've maybe not had the speed that some of the other teams have had in the area, and we utilize the clock to our advantage. We on offense, and we maintain drives and score at the end of those drives. So I think it's an accumulation of offense and defense, and no doubt you got to have the kicking game in there to make sure that it's prepared and ready to go too. But again, all that's going to be decisive on the type of personnel that we have.
Obviously, look at the challenge. Obviously, I know a lot of people look at the district that Lakeview is currently in right now after UL realignment last spring, and see it as very challenging. Talk about the challenge that this job presents.
Oh, there's no doubt that there is a big challenge there, and I think that it's going to be important that we start off from the very beginning of the year and to accumulate wins early and get that positive direction, and then you know, each and every game that you go into, there's a way of making something happen, making the wins take place. I know that's going to be a great challenge, but I do also know that it can be done. I've seen it before that maybe the underdog so-called team comes forward and wins football games.
And I guess lastly, what are the first things that you're going to be looking to try to get accomplished and get done as soon as you get to Lakeview?
You know, the first thing I got to get done at Lakeview is one is evaluating the kids, but two, getting with the coaches, and there's a lot of teaching that I've got to do with them, and make sure that everybody is willing to be on board and want to stay there with us. So that there's a lot of evaluation, not only of the kids but the coaches, and that's the first and primary focus. Again, we have a limited time to get all that done in, so it's going to be a big rush for us to get everything prepared what we want to by the end of the school year.
All right, Coach, I really appreciate it. Okay. I said it was a little bit of a lengthy interview, but like I said, you'll get a chance to know me pretty well, I'm sure, because